Ukraine's drone army works hard to wear down Russia's supply chain, often targeting supply trucks and vehicles transporting resources the last dozens of kilometers near the front line. But sometimes they intercept a larger delivery, finding several trucks driving after each other, letting Ukraine's drone army to swarm down and take out one after another of the fragile targets, resulting in several supply trucks getting destroyed with more resources not reaching the front line, letting Ukraine's intel and FPV drones to wear down Russia's capability by leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.